Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've missed filing your taxes for a previous year, don't worry, you're not alone, and it's easier to fix than you think. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you through how to file prior year taxes online using TurboTax and how to file directly through the IRS website. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what steps to take to get those past returns submitted without stress. Before we dive in, a quick reminder, filing past year returns is critical if you're owed a refund or need to stay in good standing with the IRS. Even if you miss the deadline, you can still file at any time. Let's start with the easiest method, TurboTax, filing prior year taxes with TurboTax. Go to turbotax.com and head to the Support tab at the top of the page. Under Support, look for File a Prior Year Tax, and this is where TurboTax keeps all the tools for older returns. Pick your tax year. TurboTax usually supports filing for the last few years. Right now, that typically includes 2023 and 2022. Select the right package. Depending on your situation, you can choose from options like Deluxe, Premier, or Business. Purchase and download the software. Enter your payment details, download it to your computer, and install it. Complete your return. Open TurboTax, sign into your account, and go to Wages and Income to start filling out the return for the year you selected. The software will guide you through each step, asking simple questions and helping you catch deductions you might have missed. When finished, print and mail your return. Prior year filings still need to be mailed to the IRS, even if you use TurboTax to prepare them. Filing directly through irs.gov. If you'd rather skip software, you can file directly with the IRS. Go to irs.gov and use the search bar on the right-hand side. Type in the specific year you need, for example, 2019 tax forms. Click on the prior year form section that appears in the results. Download the correct forms for that year, like the 1040 and any schedules you need. Fill them out manually, print them, and mail them to the IRS at the address listed on the instructions for that year. This method is completely free, but it's more hands-on, so double-check every detail to avoid delays. Tips for smooth filing. Gather all your W-2s, 1099s, and other documents before starting. If you're owed a refund, you generally have up to 3 years from the original due date to claim it. Don't miss that window. Use certified mail or a trackable service when you send your return for peace of mind. And that's it, whether you use TurboTax for a guided experience or handle it yourself on irs.gov. Filing prior year taxes doesn't have to be stressful. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step finance guides. Now it's your turn. Gather your documents, follow these steps, and get those past year taxes filed today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.